Okay, we're gonna do one of just hotels. I don't know this Hotel Cova, but we're just gonna show you what's all around Hotel Cova, the best that we can. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Hotel Cova. The rooms look like, I don't know, I think that might be part of the rooms maybe up there. It's kind of small. But we're gonna just kind of show you, there's a liquor shop right next to Hotel Cova. So all kinds of liquor. And then right here is famous street called Rua de Felicidade, which is where all the sing-song girls used to be historically. Sing-song girls were like geisha, so they would entertain men when they came in off the boats and ships. So you kind of got a famous restaurant right here too. Restaurant Fat Su Lao, and I think that this one says 1903. So yeah, this is that famous Rua de Felicidade street. So this particular hotel would be pretty close to this. Be right next to it, actually. Be on the street, actually. That's kind of cool looking building. Yeah, and then these ones are just kind of general side streets, basically. So your Hotel Cova right here. Just kind of see what else it's around. So across the street you'd have a small little restaurant right here. This is kind of like a tourist spot right here, tourist things. So they would get their egg tart, stuff like that. It's like a, I don't know what that is. Villa Universal, so that might be the same thing. Villa. So they might be kind of similar, I don't know. Let's kind of keep on going down a little bit. Let's see. So I guess if you were at this hotel, and those might be two of the same, Villa Universal might be the same, then you'd basically be in this whole area. There's more hotels there. It's Pont 16, straight down that way. That one. And we're just going to go down and just show you this main street over here too. And the main street is kind of goes east-west across the city. We're going to show you in a second. Some alleys. Yeah, I filmed this one before. There's a tree right there. It's in the alley. It kind of goes up. There's another alley right here too. So this one's kind of a main street, so you can have a reference to Travessa do Matadouro. And then this one right here is, has all the black and white tiles, and it goes all the way down on both sides. You have all that. And this is kind of a main street right here. Beautiful black and white tiles. And then if you go all the way down that way, there's Senado Square is right over there, and then way further down is Lisboa and such like that. So anyways, that's kind of an idea of what's around here. Yeah, KK Bakery as well. It's kind of well known. So okay, Tiger Bite Fashion Burger. What's that? I guess they're like these small little burgers, I guess. Huh. Tiger Bite. So anyways, that's that hotel. Tree in the alley. Another pastel area. Some of these are closed. And I guess that whole, that Universal, Villa Universal might be the same. Don't know what that means. Villa. Villa means house. Or like a house. Anyways. That's Hotel Cova right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.